Hey guys, this is Brett with Lone Rock Concepts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our Overland Water Pump Kit for the Rotopax container. If you got the optional Rotopax stand, all you do is insert it perpendicularly on the bottom of your Rotopax, and now it's not going to be knocked over if the wind or something hits it. Unscrew your Rotopax cap. You're going to take the insert component, stick it through the cap, then you're going to thread your hose through. There's a hole in the middle. Insert your weight on the bottom end and screw on the Rotopax cap. Leave a little bit of hose that's hanging out so it doesn't fall in. Take your bushing with the dimples face down and insert it into the pump. Make sure it's snug. Then attach your hose to the bottom of the pump. Make sure it's snug so it's got suction. Feed the hose through. Make sure there's no kinks. Then push it down until it's snug. Take your spigot, just insert it, lightly twist it inside. You don't need to go all the way in. Once you feel that it's grabbed on the silicone on the inside, you're good to go. Now when it comes to removing the pump, put your fingers on the plastic component that holds the spigot and just lightly twist it out. It'll pop right out. Pull the pump off. Remove all your components. Empty out the water and put them in the bag. Once you remove the weight, you can take off this piece. You can put the weight, the spigot, and the insert in the bag. You can leave the hose and the bushing inserted. Make things a little bit easier next time. And you're good to go. Thank you for your business. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us at info@lonerockconcepts.com, and happy camping.